Welcome to my channel. Before we proceed to our ribbon bow tutorial, if it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button in order to get notified every time we upload videos. Materials that we need for this ribbon bow tutorial are ribbon and scissors. Wrap the ribbon around your fingers twice as shown in the video. So you'll have 2 loops. Keep it loose if you want to make a bigger bow as demonstrated. Cut the ribbon from the other side. Pull off your fingers and hold all the layers with your fingers as shown. I'm gonna come over with the longer side, bring it around, pushing this edge into a knot I just created. Now holding the loops with the right hand, arrange the ribbon knot such that the printed side is outwards and visible, and pull the end I'm working on towards the opposite side. Pull it more to tighten it, keeping the shape of the bow intact using the right hand, and at the same time using my left hand to pull the edge to shape it. Now start working on the other end of the ribbon. Try keeping the printed side of the ribbon aligned so that the print is on the visible side. Now twist the edges accordingly, turn around, I'm going to take each side and cut at an angle. Give it a V shape to make it look better. And how would you do it? Attach both the sides towards the center. Cut at this angle. Now the other side. I've tried my level best to make this ribbon bow tutorial as simple as possible. I hope it's now easy for you to make a ribbon bow of your own. You can attach this ribbon bow to a cap or any accessory of your choice. Thank you for watching. Do let us know in comments if you're going to practice making this cutest ribbon bow.